All right, let's go over what limit notation is. So limit notation is very different from things you've seen before in math, unless you've already taken like a pre-calculus course that talked about limits probably towards the end of the year. Most of you probably haven't seen this before. So it's a very specific notation so that when you see it, it's very obvious that, yeah, we're going to be doing a limit. Okay, so limit notation looks like this. It's got LIM for limit. And then underneath of that, there's going to be a variable. Most of the time, especially in the beginning, it's going to be X, but it can be whatever variable the function is using. So X, theta, T, those are the most popular. But most of the time, it's probably, at least in this class, it'll probably be X. So it's going to be the limit and then an X down there or another variable. And then it has this little arrow pointing at some value, which we're going to call C for now. So that C, that is what X is approaching. So X is getting closer and closer and closer to whatever that C value is. So right next to LIM, there's going to be one of two things. It'll either have function notation, or it could have a specific function like x plus 2, or 1 over x minus 1, or sine of x, something like that. And then it'll say equals some value, or it could say DNE, or maybe even infinity. So the way that you would read this, or it's read as the limit of f of x as x approaches C is L. And that's limit notation.